اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Dear students, it is class 12th business studies. Last day we knew that what are the characteristics of business environment. In that very lesson we knew that business environment, it is beyond the control of the business. It is an external factor. We have no control over this business environment. So today let us know that what is the importance of business environment. Just we saw that what are the characteristics of the business environment, how it exists. But let us know that how it is important for the business, for our unit. Because we know that every business where it exists outside the business, but every businessman has to adapt itself according to these forces. So forces they are beyond the control of the business. They are outside. These situations are outside the business, but every situation has an impact over the business. So a businessman, what he has to do, he has to change the environment. He has to change the business according to the environment, because he cannot change the environment, but he has to deal with the environment. So he has to change himself. He has to change his business. He has to change the situations inside the unit, inside the firm, and then and only then it is possible for him that he can be a successful entrepreneur, successful businessman. So some of the things which we must know, that these relate, or these review the business environment, how much the business environment is important for a businessman. First thing is, it enables the identification of opportunities, getting the first mover advantage. So the first thing is that this business environment provides many opportunities to the firm. بزنس انوائرمنٹ جو کہ بزنس کے باہر ہوتا ہے، یہ بہت سے مواقع اس بزنس یونٹ کو دے دیتا ہے تاکہ اپنی پرفارمنس کو بڑھائے، اپنی پرفارمنس کو امپروو کرے. سو اے بزنس مین who scans these opportunities which are going outside the business, so that he can get maximum benefits from them, so that he can get maximum benefits as compared to the competitors. ایک بزنس مین کو جن لوگوں کے ساتھ کمپٹیشن ہے مارکیٹ میں، جب وہ بزنس انوائرمنٹ کو ریڈ کرے، اس کو انالائز کرے، تو اس کے ذریعے سے وہ زیادہ سے زیادہ مواقع حاصل کر سکتا ہے اپنے کمپیٹیٹرز کے مقابلے میں. Here an example has been quoted that a firm who launched the electric bulbs in the market, what he did, he just prepared, the company or the firm prepared a bulb which was 20 times more efficient than the normal bulbs. So what happened? People got more attracted towards that bulb because they had 20 times more benefit as compared to the other firms who were launching this electric bulb in the market. So that firm who launched the new product with 20 times more benefit in the market, so he got more advantage in the business because that firm improved their performance. So this is first thing, that is, firm should identify the opportunities so that he can get more and more advantage in the market, so he can improve the performance. Second is, this business environment, it helps the identification of threats, so that in the early warning or in the early warning signal, یہ ہے کہ یہ جو بزنس یونٹ جو ہے، فرم جو ہے، جب وہ بزنس انوائرمنٹ کو اچھی طرح سے ریڈ کرتا ہے تو اس کے لیے اس سے کیا فائدہ اس سے ملتا ہے؟ فائدہ یہ ملتا ہے کہ وہ آئیڈینٹیفائی کرتا ہے تھریٹ جو ہیں، جو کہ خوف جو ہے، جو ڈر جو ہے اس کے بزنس یونٹ کو، ان کو سگنلز کو پہلے ہی ریڈ کرتا ہے تاکہ وہ اپنی بزنس کو ایک سیف اینڈ پر لے جائے تاکہ وہ اس کو پروٹیکٹ کر سکے سو دیٹ ہی کین پریپیئر ہمسیلف فار دا چیلنجز دیٹ دا فرم از گوئنگ ٹو فیس ان دا فیوچر. جیسے یہاں کہا گیا ہے کہ ایک ملٹی نیشنل کمپنی جو ہے مارکیٹ میں جب آتی ہے تو وہ پہلے وہ کمپنیز جو ہیں جو کہ پہلے ہی اس مارکیٹ میں اس ملک میں کام کرتی ہیں تو ان کو وہ پہلے ریڈ کرتی ہے. وہ دیکھتی ہے کہ میرے پاس تھریٹس کیا ہیں, میرے پاس الارمنگ سچویشنز کیا پیش آ سکتی ہیں مجھے, تاکہ وہ پہلے ان سے سگنل حاصل کر سکے تاکہ وہ فیوچر میں کسی ناکامی کا شکار نہ ہو. تھرڈ از ٹیپنگ یوزفل ریسورسز. ایوری بزنس who analyzes, who studies the business environment, what he does, the business sees different useful resources that he is going to launch in the market. For example, he must know the raw material, the tools, the equipment, the finance. He is going to arrange the labor or the laborers or different kinds of technology he is going to use in the market. So he has to, in advance, he has to see these inputs that he is going to use for his product or for his services. So he has to do what he has to do. The firm has to take into consideration the supply of the inputs so that the outputs can be prepared, the finished products can be prepared well in time. He has to see the wages of the employees, he has to see the customers, he has to see the payments to the investors. So all these things he must use. These are the useful resources. But useful resources can only be seen when a businessman or a firm that analyzes or studies the business environment. Fourth is coping with the rapid changes. Every businessman or any businessman who is going into the market, when he studies the business environment, he can cope the rapid changes, because changes they are unpredictable, because every businessman he is concerned with the future, and future cannot be predicted exactly. So the rapid changes that are going to happen in the future, a businessman must have the capability to cope up them at the right time. He must know the changes. He must guess the changes. So these are some of the things that a manager has to understand in advance. These changes, they are rapid changes, and especially in the prevailing changing world, the changes at every minute, at every moment are expected. So he has to take the arrangement to cope up with these changes. Fifth is assisting in planning and policy formulation. When a businessman, when he analyzes or studies the business environment, he must assist, or he must know the threats and opportunities in the business. So when he understands the environment, it helps the management in future planning and decision making. یعنی فیوچر میں ایک بزنس یونٹ کو کیا پلان کرنا ہے, کون سے فیصلہ جات اس سے لینے ہیں, کیا ڈیسیجنز ان کو لینے ہیں. تو یہ بزنس انوائرمنٹ جب وہ اسٹڈی کرتا ہے, ریڈ کرتا ہے, تو اس کے ذریعے وہ یہ پالیسیز جو ہیں, پلاننگ جو ہے, اس کو ترتیب دیتا ہے. ہی ارینجز آل دیز تھنگس, بٹ اٹ از پاسبل اونلی وین he reads, he studies the business environment which is beyond his in this control. Sixth is improvement in performance. So whenever a businessman, when he studies the environment, so he improves his performance, because he has to compete these competitors, different units. So it can only be possible when he reads the environment, and only then it is possible for him that he can improve the performance. And last is image building. ہم جانتے ہیں کہ آج کی دنیا میں ایک بزنس یونٹ کی امیج جب مارکیٹ میں اچھی ہو تو تبھی اس کے لیے یہ ممکن ہے کہ وہ زیادہ سے زیادہ کسٹمرز یا کنزیومرز کو اپنی طرف اٹریکٹ کر سکتا ہے. ونس a businessman, this firm is not in a position to build the image in the market. It's not possible for him that he can attract more and more customers or consumers towards his service or his product. So it is possible for him that he can build the image in the market, but this is possible only when he he studies the environment. Environment is, it is outside the business. It is outside the business. It is beyond his control, but he has to build the image. So this image can only be built when he studies the environment of the business. He can make the plans for the image building in the outside the business unit. So for that matter, he has to see the opportunities, the threats. He has to identify these things. Then and only then he can build his image. So these are rather 7 points that he has to take. He has to take into consideration. And for this, to know all these 7 points, to build the future of his firm or his unit, what he has to do, he has to read the business environment. So he has to know the importance of the business environment first, then and only then he can do all these things for the successful future of his firm or his business unit. So thanks. This is enough for today.